Alrighty, welcome back to the videos where I basically rate my own artwork and past work just to see how much I've advanced. So today we're going to be looking at composition, lighting, materials, performance and cinematic, and then we will rate everything out of 5. 5 being the best and 1 being terrible. So today we are looking at a London build. This was a backdrop for a potential kind of just private game that I had just to kind of test the software and its capabilities. This was created on Blender. So we'll get right into this, we'll see what's going on. So we can see right here that we are at Westminster Bridge and we are currently making the boat docks, and we can see that we have a little bit of an archway just at the back there for the London Underground. For this particular build, I was very particular on making sure that everything was in proportion, and it was a great exercise to make sure that I could build things with my computer and also test its capabilities. So we can see that we have all of the water here. There's not much texture going on. This is just a general kind of render. Or at least it's not rendered at all at the moment. You can see that this is a stairwell going down and around into the underground or the subway coming through here, the stairs that go down. And on the opposite side of the road would be Elizabeth Tower and the Houses of Parliament. You can see here that I'm just making a couple of cuts and inserts. I'm presuming that this one is going to be made out of glass from the way that this is being built. I don't know, we could advance this forward a little bit. So now we can see that the glass has now been added. This is a nice little tunnel that's running through. This is what this will look like when it's rendered on the render tab. I would absolutely love to make builds like this with you guys at the minute, but I need a new PC. I can't build stuff like this at the moment. So yeah, this is the render. This is what it looks like. I would definitely rate this a 5 out of 5 just for the way that it looks. There's not much texture going on, but you can see what's going on here. You can see the details, and you can see the little passageways and stuff. And the best thing about this, I tried to get this passageway, and this passageway at the exact same height so that people could walk through, so they're not one's big, one's small and stuff like that. The only thing that I would rate is there's no entrance right here for passengers. You see how they're just walking into a wall essentially. Let's go ahead and advance this a little bit. Oh, okay, we have a lot of pixels. There's many pixels right here. I'm actually curious. I want to find this project because I've seen someone who took a photo through the railings in London. And they got the London Eye in the background, and I'm wondering whether I can recreate that digitally and how that would look. Oh, that's an idea. That is an idea. Alrighty, so we've got this kind of extra little bit that's going on here. I'm not too sure what's happening. So we'll just mosey this on over a little bit more. And yeah, you kind of get the idea of how this looks. To be honest with you, the shadow's looking great. I can see everything that's going on underneath compared to older Blender versions. I can see that we have stairwells here and a little bit of a stairwell just on the inside right here, which means that this stairwell on top kind of comes back on itself, which is a beautiful little addition. Yeah, I would rate this 5 out of 5. This is a pretty good build. If you guys want to watch the full video, it is down in the description. And I will see you in the next one, and please leave your rating in the comments section. Greatly appreciated. So yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.